Can't get rid of that stubborn belly fat? Get the body you've been dreaming of. Dr. Maj and Maj Medical Clinic use the latest in minimally invasive liposuction technologies. High-definition Lipo-360, together with skin tightening, achieve ultimate body sculpting results with minimal downtime. No more jelly roll. Maj Medical turns this into this. And really, it's time to do a little something for you. Call Maj Medical Clinic today for your free consultation and get the body you've been dreaming of.
Hi, welcome to Maj Medical Clinic. I'm Dr. Majzoubi. I want to talk to you about some problems that some of my patients have, which is weight loss. As patients get older, I've realized that no matter how much they work out or how little they eat, they still have a hard time losing their fat in the stubborn areas. That's around their belly. And the best way that I found is to do liposuction. I use minimally invasive liposuction with Vaser technology and tightening the skin with J-plasma. Both of these give us the best results and best body etching that's available in the Central Valley. Let's take a look.
If you've ever tried to lose stubborn body fat only to have no luck, if no matter how much exercise or how healthy you eat, there are still some problem areas that affect your confidence, Maj Medical Clinic has the perfect solution for both men and women who would like to eliminate body fat. Dr. Daria Majzoubi specializes in high-definition liposuction and body contouring, using a unique combination of cutting-edge technologies, including Vaser, Renuvion, and Morpheus, to achieve the ultimate in body contouring techniques. Vaser is high-definition liposuction used to target fat removal while helping define muscle tone. This minimally invasive and highly accurate method can sculpt anatomical structure far beneath the skin to help produce definition. In addition to Vaser, Dr. Majzoubi uses Renuvion's J-plasma technology to further tighten the skin, enhancing the overall contouring effect. And Morpheus, which stimulates collagen production and improves skin texture, resulting in a smoother, more youthful appearance. Dr. Majzoubi talked in depth about this exciting procedure on KC24's Central Valley Today show.
So high-definition liposuction with skin tightening. What exactly is this technique, and how is it maybe different than what you might have done before?
So the previous, traditional liposuction, you have to cause a lot of trauma, which uses something called a cheese grater to break up the fat. And what it also does is it also breaks up all the fibroseptic network that attaches your skin to your underlying tissue. So when you're done, the skin is kind of loose. The technique I use now is high energy ultrasound to break up all the fat, and also allows me to etch the body. So before, I wasn't able to etch the body. I wasn't able to get clear lines, six-pack on men, or for women to get a good delineation of their abs. Now this technique allows me. It's very gentle. It kind of loosens up the fat. It allows me to etch, and then I can suck out all the fat with a tiny little cannula.
Vaser stands for Vibration Amplification of Sound and Energy. It produces vibrations using ultrasound technology to help break down fat and get rid of even the most stubborn fat deposits.
I'll show you some before and after pictures of actually a couple, husband and wife. This lady, with her husband, works out 5 days a week, at least 2 hours at a time. They eat well, but they just can't get rid of that. She can't get rid of that belly fat. So if you see those black lines is where I'm actually going to etch, and the circle lines is where the fat is. So this is before, and this is after. So as you can see, I've etched her abs, and we've given her a nice curve.
She has a very defined waist now.
Yeah, and she looks like she's been working out like crazy and eating really well. And then let me show you her back. So this is what her back looks like. You see the fat on the top, and she doesn't have enough of a curve that she would like. So this is before, and this is 2 months after the procedure. As you can see, we've gotten all that. I've etched her. We've tightened the skin. Now, she still has a little bit of swelling in the bottom, and that should go away in the next month or so. Now, the other issue is that people don't think about men for lipo, but men also have issues. So here's the husband of that same patient. He works out like crazy. I've treated him for many years.
I can tell that he spends some time in the gym.
Yeah, but it's still not where he wants it to be. If you look at his pecs right on the side by his armpits, you can see some fat there that he just cannot get rid of. And his abdomen, I know he does a lot of ab exercises and he can't just get rid of that. And I can't really see a six-pack. I know he does lots of abdominal crunches and all abdominal exercise and can't get rid of it. And then the side, those things, the
love handles.
Love handles he can't get up. Here, as you can see, I've actually etched him. You can see the delineation of his abdominal muscles. I've given him a six-pack. I've gotten rid of the fat underneath his pecs. So that body actually looks like he's 20 years younger.
It does, yes.
And this is only 2 months after the procedure.
And it will get better as time goes on.
I tighten the skin underneath with something called J-plasma, which heats the skin to about 85 degrees for a split second. And that tightens the collagen, the fibroseptic network, and then it also stimulates collagen production. And then on top of the skin, I also do microneedling with radio frequency that tightens the skin on top. But because of the channels that I've formed, I can also put growth factors, and that makes the skin look much younger. Because you don't want just a tight skin and a tight abs, you also want the skin to look young.
Performed in office under local anesthetics, the procedure takes about 3 hours. And when done, you can walk right out of the office. These approaches allow Dr. Maj to create personalized transformations, ensuring that our patients achieve their ultimate goals. Maj Medical's non-invasive, non-surgical body contouring services utilize radio frequency, infrared, and sublative RF technologies that eliminate fat cells and encourage the growth of collagen. As a result, you achieve a slimmer, more youthful-looking shape. And to really enhance the effect, consider skin resurfacing or radio frequency microneedling.
What we do is we put lidocaine under the skin, so the entire skin and entire fat is all anesthetized. And also we use something that closes up the blood vessels, so when we're doing it, there's very little bleeding. And the procedure takes literally about 3 hours to do. Because of the techniques that I use and because of the vaser that we use, it's a very gentle procedure. Also, as patients get older, they have a problem with the sagging skin in their neck, or sometimes they have what we call a double chin. So I do minimally invasive neck tightening and lower facelift without surgery, minimal downtime, and minimal pain while you're awake.
Have stubborn fat you'd like to see disappear? Just ask. You can get the body you desire. In addition to Lipo-360, Dr. Majzoubi also performs neck and lower facelifts and skin rejuvenation without surgery or general anesthesia in about an hour, as well as lipo and tightening of upper arms and thighs. If you have problem areas you're not happy with, consult with Dr. Majzoubi to see how he can help you achieve your ultimate body. Welcome to Maj Medical Clinic.